using vertical smoker today. Canopy's up because it is off and on rain. Got some coals going. Plenty of wood cut up. Cherry wood for our sirloin tip. Once I get it on, I'll keep updating. We'll see how wet the cinder block pit is. Not too bad. I probably could have did it out here. Woods was soaked. So as you can see, I'm up on the other side of the pool, right near the house. Looks like more rain. Oh well. Potatoes. The sirloin tip has been sitting for a little while, ready to go in. Alright, in there I just got a little bit of butter melting down. Sirloin tip and potatoes are in. They will each roughly take about 2 hours-ish. Towards the end, once the sirloin tip gets to be about 120, I will sear it right over the coals. Alright, I'll update more. Sirloin's looking real good. It's got great color. Been in for about an hour and a half, temping at about 110. Potatoes are getting close. Cherry wood's rolling. My smoking buddy's out here. Say hi, Anakin. Alright, we're getting close to being done. Alright, what we're doing right now is we are searing it on each side. Get that nice char. And then we'll let it rest and it'll be done.